Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 402, that is remove k integers, and in this we'll be given a string num and represent which represents a non-negative integer num and an integer k, and we have to return the smallest possible integer after removing k digits from num. For example, if we are given 1432219, so if we'll remove 3 digits, that is 4, 2 and 3, so the smallest number we'll be getting is 1219. In any other case we'll be not getting the smallest number. Okay, so for this what I'll be doing is we'll be using a stack. I'll just first write the code and then explain stack of characters, sorry, because we are given a string. Let's call it stack, that is equal to a new stack. Okay, and that for character, let's say digit in num, what I'll be doing is that while my not stack dot is empty and my k is greater than 0 and my dot stack dot peak is greater than the digit, what I'll be doing is I'll be keep popping off the characters from the stack dot pop, and I'll be subtracting my k minus minus. Okay, else what I'll do, I'll just do stack dot push the current digit. Okay, let's just rename this stack stk. Yeah, so by now I have like set up what I want to do exactly. Okay, and what I'll be doing is that while my k is greater than 0, I'll be removing the extra elements from the stack, that while k minus minus is greater than 0 and my not stack dot is empty, I'll be popping off the elements from the stack stk dot pop. And now what I have to just do, I have to return string converted, like the return a string, the smallest number in the form of string. So for this I'll be using a string builder. Let's say new string builder. Okay, now what I'll be doing is that while my not stack dot is empty, I'll be appending to it sp dot append stk dot pop. And now I need to set the reverse order, because while I was in the stack, the characters were in the reverse order. And now while my sb dot length is greater than sorry sp dot length is greater than 0 and my sp dot char at 0 to check any like if I am having like trailing leading zeros basically. So in that case I need to remove that, because they will just add up more to the value sp dot delete char at 0. Okay, and now what I have to do, I have to return if sp dot length, if it is greater than 0, then I have to convert sp to string. Else what I have to do is I have to simply return a string 0. So now let me just first quickly explain the code. We just have a character stack to keep a maintain of the relative order of the digits also. Okay, and now what I am doing is that while my okay, that if my current digit is greater than, if my at the top of the stack I'm having the digit which is greater than the current digit, I'm just popping off, because that will add more to the number instead of like decreasing the number, and otherwise I'm just pushing the digit to the stack. Okay, okay, and then what I'll have to check is that while my k is greater than 0 and stack is not empty, I have to like because it's the condition is I need to remove k digits from num, like that means exactly k, because there might be a condition in which I am not able to remove the k digits. So in that case I'll be removing the maximum digits from the stack. Okay, and then I have just created a string builder to return the answer, and in this while my not stack is empty, I'll be returning popping off from the stack and appending it to my string builder. As my string builder, as the digits will be in the reverse order, so I'll just use the reverse method to make them back in the relative order. Okay, and while my is length is greater than 0 and char at 0, okay, sp dot char at 0 is equal to 0. Yeah, sp dot char at 0. I have to delete that particular character because we'll be just adding more to the leading zeros as it's given in the test case. Like if we are having 10 and my like the length of the number is 2, and if my num is equal also length of the number is 2 and my key is also equal to 2, so I have to just return a 0. So I don't need to have a trailing zero, leading zeros. Again, in this case, we can have well, look that I was given k equal to 1, so I just removed 1, and if I'll be not returning 0 2 0 0 because that will make no sense, so I have to remove the leading zeros. Okay, and it's also given that note that output must not contain leading zero, and at the end I'm just checking this condition that if the length is greater than 0, then in that case only I'll be converting the string builder to string, else I'll be returning a 0. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, so it gave me an error for character. Oh, sorry, num dot to character array. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted, and let's submit it. Yeah, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.